Hello, I am Fabiano Lemes de Oliveira and I'm an associate professor in urbanism at the Department of Architecture and Urban Studies at Politecnico di Milano. I joined Politecnico di Milano in 2019 after having worked for over 10 years at the University of Portsmouth in the UK. My main areas of expertise are green urbanism, urban design, theory and practice, as well as planning history. My research lies at the intersection of environmental planning and urban planning, with a focus on investigating the roles of green space systems and planning models in city and regional planning, both from a contemporary as well as a historical perspective. I would like to draw your attention to my book, Green Wedge Urbanism, History, Theory and Contemporary Practice, published in 2017 by Bloomsbury in London and in New York. And the book presents a planning idea which manifested itself in various planning models and in typology of green space. This research is important because it explores various planning models derived from the green wedge idea, which by the very virtue of their form, interspersing green wedges and developed areas, are able to balance urbanization and nature, distributing the benefits of nature or ecosystem services across the urban area close to where people live. In its first part, the book constructs a history of the green wedge idea in urbanism, and in its second part, it analyzes contemporary uses of green wedges in city and regional planning to try and understand how they could help cities and regions be more sustainable and resilient today and in the near future. The last part presents a series of principles that can support policymakers, urban planners, urban designers in the planning, designing, implementation and management of green wedges. Besides, I co-edited the book Planning Cities with Nature, Theories, Strategies and Methods, published by Springer in 2019 in Amsterdam, which provides key concepts for planning cities in balance with nature, with contributions from various disciplines and case studies from across the world. I was the principal investigator in the recent project of the British Council Newton Fund programme titled Renaturing Cities, and in the Global Challenges Research Fund project, the Environment, Culture, Technology Nexus, Envisioning Future Green Cities. Here at Politecnico di Milano, I teach urban and environmental design and urban planning for both postgraduate and undergraduate students in the campus of Piacenza and in the campus Leonardo here in Milan. I'm also part of the board of professors of the PhD program in urban planning, design and policy. Finally, I have a largely international background, having studied and worked in 4 countries, Brazil, Spain, the UK and now Italy. And I very much look forward to continuing existing collaborations and develop new ones too.